Dear students, welcome to our channel English Now Made Easy. Students, you can pause the video and take down the notes as and when required. In this video, we will see detailed solution of warming up, page-wise questions with meanings, and complete solution of workshop. Thank you, students. Hope everybody would have enjoyed today's session. Please stay tuned for the coming new lessons of English higher level. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.